All right, let's check in, see what Sahara's got going. It's Thursday night, week after April. After Easter. So we're still in April. Let me see what the date is. Is it the 15th or the 14th? Oh, it's the 13th. 13th of April. Ooh, Sahara normally has really, really fancy cars out here. Some of them I always believe didn't really belong out here. I think they were, staging them and they had rentals like Lamborghinis and stuff. I don't know what that is, but it's nothing spectacular. Oh, that's a Jaguar. That looks like a Jeep. I'm not impressed. Not impressed. That's good. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with that. I want to do that. I want to be the garbage man. My dream job would be drive those little carts and have a vacuum cleaner on the back. Vacuum the parking lot. And then come in and vacuum the casino floor. But nothing else. I don't want to do anything else. I'm not putting away your stuff. I don't like to do that. I like to vacuum. That's it. Vacuum. Anyone has a job for me, let me know. Because I'm a vacuuming animal. Whew. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Got that time of year. We're getting closer and closer. The swimming pool was open today, I'm pretty sure. Certainly looked like it. And you'll see the swimming pool at the end of this video. You have to wait for it. And you can't fast forward to find it. Because I'll know if you did. I actually walked through here about 30 minutes ago, and it was doing better than it's doing right now. This sports bar does pretty good. And this is William Hill over to the right. Oh, okay. They've got it on the Las Vegas hockey game. And this is the desk over here. They freak out when I film them, which I've done a few times. Yeah, Vegas is playing Seattle tonight, away. So they got a lot of locals in there. Wanted to see the Golden Knights play. I wish I could get into it, I just can't. I like college sports. And I didn't grow up with hockey. You have to grow up with hockey. Also, I didn't grow up with baseball. Football and basketball only. Huh, what is that? Is this their high limit room? Probably, yeah. Because they got a little lounge over here, yeah. That is absolutely beautiful. And you can see the red colors and the gold colors. This is all set up for Asians. Asians is where they make their money with baccarat, but they also can lose their ass with Asians and baccarat. Get a plane of full of Japanese or next one Chinese, and they come in and they are willing to drop $2 million in a weekend. You better be ready to win or lose that kind of money. And small casinos cannot. That's what I like about Casino Royale. They have no risk. They have no table games now. Dancing craps player. He's doing really well. I could tell from across the way. I could see his rack. Three, 4, 5 times the odds. I could have filmed more if there was more people there, but I was by myself. And these guys in front of me were all over the streets when I came in here. They were chasing somebody. I'm like, wow, that's kind of bad for business, isn't it? So this is a poker room coming up. Probably one of the smallest poker rooms in all of Vegas, really. But it's, you know, it's elegant, and you have, you know, good chairs. So I guess it does the trick. That snake. God, could you imagine? Could you imagine if that thing came out of your toilet? I would have to burn the house down. I'd burn the whole neighborhood down. Because it really could come out of your toilet, because it's in China right now, and it comes from underground, so it could. So good dreams to you. Well, I hope it doesn't come through your toilet. Okay, this Uno Mas. Oh, they're trying to do away with their waitresses. And then you just get your food delivered and they still expect a tip. I'll guarantee you they do. Take a seat, scan the QR code on the table and order your food. Now if you order by cash, you got to talk to somebody. Oh, wow. A $21 burrito, I'll guarantee you get that burrito, and if all you did was scan a code and ordered it, the person that brings it to you it thinks they deserve something. And the difference is, these restaurants like this, the people that deliver it are not under the waitress minimum wage. They're under the minimum wage, and they get a lot more than the minimum wage. So don't be fooled by that. Gosh, we're trying to do away with all the food service people in the whole world now. Incredible. I saw that guy last night. His name was something Tatum, I think. I challenged him to a dance-off out there, right there on the pool deck, and he was a crying mess. I mean, I just totally abused him. But he's got to take it because he's making a lot of money. I'm not. All right, that's the end of Sahara, except for the swimming pool coming up. If you wait it, you are getting blessed with a swimming pool. Okay, they have definitely opened the Sahara pool. It's a really nice pool. They're not open right now, so they're still in the winter hours. But any day now they'll start opening. They'll start staying opened probably till much later, maybe 9 soon. But they've got the cabanas that are in the pool. I like that. So the waitress or waiter, now they've got waiters in Las Vegas. You got to remember that. You got to get used to that. So the waiter or waitress will come up behind you on that sidewalk there and give you your drinks. And they got the big cabanas over there. They got the real good bar there. They got the stage. They do have entertainment out here. A hot tub. And I assume that's a hot tub, but I have seen hotels that have a cold tub. Probably not here. That's kind of a specialty thing, and it's kind of weird too. And normally it's right next to the hot tub. It's kind of a thing where you burn yourself and then you freeze yourself, and then you pay $50. And they tell you you'll add it 5 years to your life. It's just that easy. All right, that's all I got to say about the Sahara pool for now.